So hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video, I will talk about COMEDK Counseling 2021. As you all know, the choice filling is going on for this counseling. So here I will try to provide you a detailed analysis regarding the seat matrix. As you also know, there is the addition of number of branches as well as number of seat in different colleges. So here I will try to provide you the total number of seat of top colleges and CSE, ISC and EC seats separately, and also the number of seat that has been increased this year. And I will consider the COMEDK counseling particularly in this video. As you all know, 30% of total seat of all those colleges will be filled through this COMEDK counseling, and the remaining seat will be filled through KCET counseling and management quota. So you will know about what are the chances for you in this year of COMEDK counseling 2021. So here I will also consider the top colleges expected cutoff. Will it be increase or decrease for this year of COMEDK counseling? So if you are first to my channel, please try to subscribe the channel so that you will get the complete information regarding the COMEDK counseling as well as for other counseling, other entrance exam also in this channel only. And if you need counseling guidance for this COMEDK counseling or KCET or CSEB counseling that is going on after the JOSA counseling, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. But if you need the counseling guidance, then only, because for that you have to register with me first, then I will guide you for everything from now till your admission is done. That is, I will provide you a separate choice filling list based on your personal interest after talking with you, and also if possible with your parents, and I will be connected regularly to you from now till your admission is done, so that you will not face any type of problem during your counseling period, because counseling is most important. Now you have done the 2 years of hard work and your parents is ready to pay the fee, but ultimately it is the counseling that will provide you the seat. So it is advisable to do your counseling with the help of any experienced person. If you don't have, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number. Once you register with me, it will be my responsibility to provide you the best out of your rank, as I have done it in last year as well. So this year also I will try to provide the best out of the student's rank once the student will be registered with me. So already so many student is registered. If you want, you can contact me so that we will have a separate discussion. So let's start this video. So here is the top colleges seat matrix and addition. How many seat has been added and in which branch, and total number of seat, and also for CS, ISC and EC separately I will talk about how much seat are available through the COMEDK counseling. So try to watch the video till the end so that you will get the complete information. So if you talk about RV College of Engineering, so total number of seat available through COMEDK counseling is 336, and 54 seat is available in CSC branch, ISC 18 seat only, and for EC again 54 seat, and there is the addition of 35 seat this year. Among them 18 seat are from AIML, that is artificial intelligence and machine learning, that has been added this year in this college. So next if you talk about MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, so total number of seat is available through COMEDK is 378, and for CSC there is 36 seat, for ISC again 36, and for EC also 36 seat is available. And addition is 100 seat, including 4 new branches that has been added this year in this college. So there will be a huge change in the expected cutoff for this year. So I would like to inform you that if you are doing the COMEDK counseling, do it very carefully, because last year I have seen so many students who had done the counseling very carefully, we are able to get the good college at very high rank as well. So this year also you can maximize your chances, as this year the number of seat increases and also the number of branches. So I will advise you do it very carefully so that you will get the best out of your rank, and if there will be an exclusive round, you will able to maximize your chances of getting the good college. But if you do the better counseling only, because for that experience is required, and that is possible only when you contact me separately, so that I will discuss everything with you so that you will get the best out of your rank. So next if you talk about BMS College of Engineering, so total seat is 342, CSC seat is 63, ISC 54 and EC 45 seat, and there is an addition of 55, among which the 36 seat are from AIML. So next if you talk about BIT, that is Bangalore Institute of Technology, so here is the total number of seat, that is 387, for CSC 54, ISC 51, and for EC 84 seat is available, and there is the addition of 35 seat, among which 18 seat are from AIML. So next if you talk about the Anand Sagar College of Engineering, so total number of available seat is 534, and for CSC 72, ISC 36, and EC again 72 seat are available. This college through COMEDK counseling, and there is the addition of 65 seat, that is from AIML and CSD branch. Next if you talk about SMVIT, so the total number of seat is available 216 through COMEDK, and CSC seat is 36, ISC 18, EC 36, and there is the addition of 12 seat. No additional branches available in this college. So next if you talk about Meenakshi Institute of Technology, so total number of seat available is 344, CSE seat 54, ISC 54, and for EC as well 54 seat are available in this college, and there is an addition of 45 seat and 18 seat are from AIML. So next if you talk about SIT Tumkur, so here is the information. It is total number of seat is available 261, CSE 36, ISC 18 and EC 36 seat are available, and there is an addition of 30 seats. So next if you talk about RNS Institute of Technology, so total number of seat available is 241, CSC 54, ISC 54 and EC 35 seat, and there is an addition of 95 seat. So there will be a huge change in the cutoff. So now I would like to inform you that this year there will be a change in the cutoff of all those colleges because of the addition of the number of seats. But you will get the advantage of that only with the better counseling. And if you are looking for other than CSC branches, then you can get at very high rank as well. But if you are looking for CS related branch, then the cutoff might go lower according to the last year, because this is the trend of this year. CSC related branch demand is more, but there is an addition of seat as well, so that will be balanced. But if you do better counseling, you might get the better seat at your rank as well. So that's why it is advisable do your counseling with the help of any experienced person. If you don't have, you can contact me anytime, so that I will guide you for everything from now till your admission is done once you register with me. And I will also guide you for other things also, that is if you have any other college through other counseling, whether you should join that or this college based on your personal interest, because it's about your career, and once you do any type of mistake, you might have to regret later after joining a wrong college or wrong branch. So that's why I am advising you. If you want, you can contact me anytime through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. So next if you talk about BNM college, so total number of seat available is 242, CSE seat is 54, ISA seat is 54 again, and EC seat is 72. And there is an addition of 45 seats, among them 36 seats are from AIML and data science. So this is all about this video. Here I have provided you a detailed information regarding the seat matrix of all the top colleges under COMEDK. So I hope you have find this video very useful, and according to this video you can expect this year cutoff will vary according to that, because there is an addition of number of branch as well as there is an addition of number of seat. And very soon I will try to provide you the branch wise placement of all those top colleges, so that you can decide which college to join with which branch. So thanks for watching this video. Please try to subscribe this channel so that you will get other video also that I will upload very soon in this channel only. So once again I would like to inform you that if you want counseling guidance, you can contact me through Instagram or WhatsApp number available in the description box. But if you need the counseling guidance, then only, because for that you have to register with me first, then I will guide you from now till your admission is done, and it will be my responsibility to provide you the best out of your rank.